Dear student, good morning to all of you. Myself TP Patel. Today I will discuss about logic gate. Logic gate. Logic gate made two words, logic plus gate, where logic means checking the true and false condition and gate is a symbol. So we define logic gate is an electronic circuit which operate one or more input signals and to give a standard output is called logic gate. Logic gate mainly two types. First is a fundamental logic gate and second is a universal logic gate. Fundamental logic gates include three gates. First AND gate, second OR gate, third is a NOT gate. And second is universal gate. Universal gate contain two types. First is a NAND gate and second is a NOR gate. And some other types of the gate such as XOR gate, XNOR gate, buffer gate, bubbled AND gate, bubbled NAND gate. So we discuss one by one in each. Firstly, fundamental gate. Fundamental gate is a gate which can make another type of gate. Fundamental gate, firstly we discuss about AND gate. AND gate the symbol of AND gate just like English capital letter D. English capital letter D is a symbolic representation of AND gate. Truth table. The truth table of AND gate is suppose that this is the block diagram of AND gate. Suppose A and B are two input signals. By the output signals we are separated by the dot product by is equal to A dot B. It is a block diagram. Truth table. Suppose it has two inputs such as A and B and produce the output is by is equal to A dot B. If I have two inputs, then we have a condition 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 conditions. Suppose you have two buttons, so how many conditions are applied to? If you have two buttons, then contain 2 to the power 4 conditions hold. So these are 4 conditions such as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are two conditions. Suppose that AND gate, and suppose AND gate separated by dot product. Suppose dot, if both input are on, means 1 dot 1 is equal to 1, and other cases will be 0. So 0 dot 0 0 0 dot 1 0 1 dot 1 0 0 1 dot 1 1. Hence we can define AND gate, the output is 1 if all input signals are 1. In other words, we can say that the output of AND gate is 0 if all input signals are 0. We are representing circuit diagram of AND gate. Suppose AND gate, circuit diagram of AND gate, this. We are putting plus minus its battery. These are the V for bulb, VALV bulb, V for battery, where switch A and switch B. Here apply, if both switches are connected, then bulb is lighting, otherwise bulb is not lighting. So this situation is AND gate. Clear? If you have any doubt, you ask any question, any queries. Thank you.